Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a concept map in research. First, understand that a concept map is a powerful visual tool for organizing and representing knowledge. It helps you see the big picture of your research topic by illustrating connections between different ideas. Think of it as a diagram that shows how various concepts are related, making complex information much easier to grasp and communicate. This method is incredibly useful. First, let's dive into the core elements that make up a concept map. At its heart, you have concepts, which are your key ideas or terms. These are typically placed inside shapes like ovals or rectangles to make them stand out. Connecting these concepts are lines, and on these lines, you'll write linking phrases. These phrases, often just one or two words, clearly explain the relationship between the connected concepts. For instance, causes or includes are common examples. Now for the fun part, personalizing your alerts. This is where you can truly make your stream stand out. You can upload custom images, GIF, and even short video clips to serve as your alert visuals. Don't forget the sound. Select from a vast library of sound effects or upload your own unique audio files. You'll also have control over the alert's duration, animation style, and the text that appears. Aim for alerts that are visually appealing, audibly clear, and perfectly match your stream's overall vibe. To make your concept map truly effective, here are a few helpful tips. Always strive for clarity in your linking phrases. They should precisely describe the relationship between concepts, leaving no room for misinterpretation. After your initial draft, take time to review and refine your map. Check for accuracy, ensure a logical flow, and make any necessary adjustments. You might also consider using different colors or shapes for various types of concepts to enhance visual organization and understanding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.